Is that new, Shani?
Yeah, we'll open it.
Okay, what's this? Hot Wheels?
And we'll open
Okay, Daddy will open it. Wow.
Hot Wheels! Oh my god!
Nice, you like it?
I like it.
Say thank you to mommy.
Thank you, Mom!
Johan, you like it?
Let's look! It's not done.
Maisie? Wow, what's the color? What's the color? What's this one? This one. Okay, this one.
Green.
Green. Nice. This one, what's the color?
Red.
Red. You like it?
I like it.
How many? How many is that?
Hot Wheels.
Where's the truck? Where's the truck? Nice truck. Put it in the truck. Put it inside the truck. Nice. Maisie, here the Hot Wheels. Nice.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Captain Washington